If you've heard the news that you can make money selling products on Amazon, then this video will show you how to do that in just 4 steps, even if you're brand new to this. And this is a massive opportunity to be able to make money online because Amazon is a huge company. They're a $1.6 trillion company and they allow you to sell on their platform. In fact, last year, over 200,000 people made over $100,000 selling on Amazon. And the crazy thing about this is this opportunity is growing. 2 years ago, e-commerce sales, people buying things online, only made up 12% of all sales. Last year, it jumped up to 16%, and it's projected to grow to 18 to 20% this year. And since 50% of all online sales happen on Amazon, being able to sell on Amazon's platform is a huge opportunity. My name is Travis Marziani. I've been a full-time e-commerce entrepreneur for the last 8 years. I've done over $5 million in online sales. But one of my proudest moments in my e-commerce entrepreneurship history is I have one product that I've been selling on Amazon for the last 3 years, and this one product has done over $1 million in sales. But I do want to be honest with you, that number is revenue and not profit. A lot of people like to brag about big numbers. There was a lot of costs associated with making that $1 million. And in total, over these last 3 years, I've done over $300,000 in profit, which basically means over $100,000 of profit per year, passive income for the last 3 years. And the reason I say passive income, and the other reason why I think Amazon FBA is such a huge opportunity, is that yes, it did take a lot of hard work to get my business up and running. But once it was up and running, all I had to do was make sure I ordered products from my manufacturer, sent it into the Amazon warehouse, and when someone would go to Amazon and buy my product, Amazon would pick, pack, and ship it out. Because FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon, which basically means when you get an order for your product, you don't have to pay for shipping and go to the post office and drop it out and handle all the different fulfillment. Amazon handles the fulfillment, which means you can spend your time doing the things you love. And maybe that's growing your business, or if you're like me, I spent the last few years traveling the world, being able to work from wherever I want to work and spending my time doing the things I love to do while Amazon handles the tedious work of running my business. Now, I have to be honest with you, I've made a ton of mistakes with my Amazon business. In fact, tens of thousands of dollars worth of mistakes. And I will talk about the number one mistake I've made with my Amazon business that cost me probably over $50,000 at the end of this video. But last year, Amazon did over $400 billion of sales on their e-commerce platform. And what's even crazier is 2/3 of every single sale that happened on Amazon was from third-party sellers. That's people like you or me selling on Amazon's platform. And Amazon has over 112 million Prime customers just in the United States, and those people are looking to buy your product, which makes it a lot easier to sell your products because there's already people on Amazon shopping for your product. And as I mentioned, once you get a sale, Amazon's going to handle the fulfillment, which has allowed me to focus on doing the things I love, like traveling, going out to dinners with my girlfriend, hanging out with friends. And why I personally love this is because once you start your own business, you don't have to worry about calling in sick or dealing with your boss. You can work whenever you want, from wherever you want in the world. And the cool thing is, the harder you work, the more money you're gonna make. If you work double as hard, you're gonna make double, triple, quadruple as much money. So let's start with step 1 of how you can set up your own Amazon business. And I wanna be clear, this is not everything you need to know. There's some things that you're gonna have to learn as you go. But these 4 steps will give you a solid foundation and teach you the basics of what you need to know to get started. And I've created a lot of different Amazon businesses, and I've helped a lot of other people start their Amazon business. And this is a condensed down version of everything you'll need to know. The first thing you'll have to do is sign up for your seller's account on Amazon. And you can go to sell.amazon.com, and once you're there, you're going to click sign up. You'll have to fill out some information about yourself. But one big thing to keep in mind is there's actually 2 different types of plans to sell on Amazon. There is the free account, the free seller account, and there's the professional account. Now the secret is you're going to want to pay for the professional account. That's $39.99 a month. But one of the reasons why you'll want to pay for the professional account is not only does it give you a bunch of other features, with the free account, you actually have to pay 99 cents every time you sell an item on Amazon's platform. With the professional account, you don't have to pay that 99-cent fee. So you can see if you plan on selling 40 items or more, it just makes sense to get the professional account. Plus it comes with features that will help you manage your inventory, and it will give you access to a bunch of other features that will help you beat your competition. Another reason why it's worth it to pay for the pro seller account is there's some categories of products that you can't sell unless you have a pro seller account. For example, if you want to sell a health product or a beauty product or some kind of a grocery item, you need to have a pro seller account. Another thing to keep in mind is there is a 15% fee just to sell on the Amazon platform, whether you're using an individual account or you're using the professional seller account, you have to pay this 15% fee. And I know this sounds unfair at first. Why does Amazon get 15% of your sales? But keep in mind, you're not gonna have to spend as much money on marketing your product because Amazon already has over 112 million Prime customers looking to buy your product. And I've tried selling on my own website versus selling on Amazon, and I get way more sales on Amazon so much easier because they've already spent billions of dollars in marketing, getting those customers onto the Amazon website. So that 15% is well worth it. Now there is also another fee to sell on the Amazon platform, and this is called the FBA pick and pack fee. This is the fee for you to send your products into Amazon's warehouse, and when you get a sale, they'll pick, pack, and ship it out. Now this fee depends on the weight and the size of your product, but for a medium-sized product, it's gonna be around $5. For a lighter weight product, it's gonna be cheaper, and obviously for a heavier product, it's gonna cost you more. And you can roughly expect to pay about a third of the cost of your product to these different Amazon FBA fees. So for example, if you had a $30 product, you could expect around $10 in Amazon FBA selling fee and the Amazon FBA pick and pack fee, another $10 or so for the cost of your product, and $10 in profit for you. Now, obviously, if you can get a cheaper product or lower the cost of your product in this example, you could get $15 profit. But the real power of Amazon is that it's scalable. It doesn't take any more work from you, whether you're selling one item or you're selling 100 items. And there's really no cap on how much money you can make. When I had my corporate job, if I worked my butt off at the end of the year, I'd get a 5% raise. And I know no matter how hard I worked, I would never make more money than my manager. With Amazon FBA, there's no cap on how much money you can make. You can make millions of dollars. And I know a lot of people that are doing just that. In fact, I've had students that are doing hundreds of thousands of dollars. They've been able to quit their jobs and they've been able to work on their Amazon business full time while traveling and enjoying their life. So this is doable. It's a real opportunity. And if I can do it and so many other people can do it, you can do it too. But step 2 is to find a product to sell on Amazon. And ideally, you want a product with high demand, meaning a lot of people are looking to buy it, in low competition. Or even better, and this is my secret to success, is find a product with no competition. And I'll talk about how AJ, who's a student in my Amazon FBA program, and I partnered on a product, and he's done over $90,000 in sales, and he sold out of all his inventory within 2 hours of launching on Amazon. And he was able to do that because he found a product with no competition. First, I'm going to show you the easy way to find a product on Amazon. Then I'm going to show you the better way, the way that I prefer to find a product on Amazon. Now, both these methods work, and it's good to understand both of them. The first way to find a profitable product to sell on Amazon is to go to Amazon.com and then scroll up to the best sellers list. This is a list of the products on Amazon that are getting the most sales. Now, the key here is to find a product that has a high amount of sales but yet a low number of reviews. Because this means if you create a similar product to this, you may actually be able to beat out your competition that's already selling well on Amazon. Now, the secret to doing this is to actually go into the subcategories. The riches are in the niches. We're gonna try to find a hidden gem. So over here, you can see all the different categories of products that are being sold on Amazon. So I'm gonna go to health and household. And here you can see the best-selling products in the health and household category on Amazon. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down even to one more subcategory. So I'm gonna see here, I'm gonna go to vitamins and dietary supplements. And what we're looking for at this point is a product with a low number of reviews. For instance, this product has 250,000 reviews. So if we make a similar product to this, there's no chance that we're ever gonna be able to beat this product. This product is established in the market and we don't really stand a chance. Same thing, we got 100,000, 50,000 reviews. So you're gonna scroll down and a lot of these have a high number of reviews. But every once in a while, it's like panning for gold, you're gonna find a product that has a low number of reviews, but yet because it's on this list, it means it has a high number of sales. So as I'm scrolling, I see this product. It has 11 reviews, yet it's on the best sellers list. So let's click on this product. What we can do is we can actually scroll down and we can see what its best-selling rank is. And so this bestseller rank is number 123 in the category of health and household. Basically, anytime you find a product that has a best-selling rank of 10,000 or less, that is a really good sign. And the way this works is if it has a bestsellers rank of number 1, that means that it has the most sales in that category. And if it has a bestsellers rank of, let's say, number 10,000, it's the number 10,000th most profitable product in Amazon. So I'd say try to find a product that has a bestsellers rank of 10,000 or less. Another thing we can do is use the Helium 10 Chrome extension, which is a free extension. I'll put a link to it down below. And this allows you to see exactly how much a product is selling per month. So this is selling 38,000 units per month for a total revenue of over $700,000 per month. And it only has 11 reviews. This is probably a product that's trending right now. It's probably a really hot product to start selling. And we know that this product obviously has very high sales, but the next question is, does it have a low amount of competition? And the key to making money by selling your product on Amazon is to remember that Amazon is a search engine. People go there to search for things, and you want to make sure that your product will at least be on the first page of the results. Now, the closer to the top of the search results you are, the more sales you're going to get, which means if there's less competition for a product that you're selling, it's going to make it easier to get to the top of the search results, which means more sales for your product and ultimately means more profit for you. So we have to search in Amazon for this product. And the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna figure out what is the main keyword that this product is trying to show up in the search results for. Basically, what are people searching for in Amazon that this product is likely to show up for? And the way to do this is to look at the title and figure out what words are necessary to describe this product. Now, for this specific product, it would be ashwagandha gummies. That would be the main keyword people are searching for in Amazon to find this product. So we're going to take that keyword, we're going to put it into the Amazon search bar, hit enter, and see the results. And as we scroll down and look at the competition, this first row of products, it's all sponsored products. It's people paying money to be at the top of the search results. This is called Amazon PPC, and it's something we'll talk about later in this video, but we can kind of ignore this. What we really want to start looking at is the organic search results. That's the people that aren't paying money to be on the search results. And this product and all these products are all organic. Now, in doing research, one of these products does have 1,000 reviews. This one has 227, but you see there's a competitor here that only has 32 reviews. It's still on the top of the search results on the first page for this keyword of ashwagandha gummies. This one only has 7 reviews. Most people aren't going to scroll all the way to the bottom to find a product. They're usually going to buy the first, second, third, fourth product. So to make sure this is a good opportunity, let's look at this product right here. It only has 32 reviews, and let's see how much money it's doing in sales. Again, we're going to look at the Helium 10 extension, and we're going to click on X-ray. And we can see that this product is selling 1,300 units per month for a revenue of $18,000 per month, which we can guess is roughly $6,000 of profit per month just from this one product. Now, what I recommend doing is looking at the other products that are already selling on Amazon, look at the 1-star, the 2-star, the 3-star reviews, see what people are complaining about with those products, and make your product so it is better than the competition. Another thing you can do is make a stronger, higher quality brand. People are willing to pay more money if the product seems like it's higher quality. And with this product, it's pretty much guaranteed that you could get to the first page of the search results, because look at this product right here. It has 0 reviews and it's on the first page of the search results for our main target keyword. Now, this is a great way to find winning products, but let me share with you what I think is even a better way to find winning products on Amazon. Because with this method, you're only going to find products that are already selling well, and then you're going to be the second, third, fourth competitor. The real question is, how do you find products that are about to take off that you could make a ton of money from? Let me show you how AJ and I created this product, which has made almost $100,000. He sold out of all his inventory within 2 hours of selling on Amazon. And we used the Helium 10 magnet tool to find this product. And this is a paid tool, but you can actually get it for free. I'll put a link down below. If you go to that link and you move your cursor off the screen, it'll allow you to set up a free account to use this tool. Or if you want to unlock all the features of this tool, I have a discount code for 50% off. Just use the link down below and insert the code Travis50. And the way this tool works is it allows you to find out exactly what people are searching for in Amazon. And the secret is to find something that people are searching for in Amazon, but yet there's no product that yet exists for those keywords. So let me show you how this works. Once you sign up for Helium 10, you're going to go over here to Keyword Research and use the magnet tool. You're going to type up here a keyword. And the other day I was looking up cocktail books, and I thought, let me plug this into Helium 10 and see what comes up. Because once you put in the keyword here and click Get Keywords, it'll show you a bunch of other keywords that are related to this. And this will show you exactly how many times per month someone is searching for cocktail book. But I don't want to create a cocktail book. I want to see what other opportunities come down. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to sort this by Magnet IQ score, which is basically a score of how many times per month this product is being searched divided by the competition. So the higher the Magnet IQ score, the more likely it is to be a successful product. And as I'm scrolling down here, I see this, Ice Shaker. This might be a good product to sell. So I'm click on this little icon right here and it'll pull up that keyword in Amazon. And as I scroll here and look at ice shakers, this doesn't look like that great of an opportunity to me because there's a lot of different ice shaker products already existing. For this product research method, what we're looking for is a search term where when we search for that product in Amazon, there is no product that exists. Because if we know that 64,000 people per month are searching for this, but yet there's not really a good product yet that exists on Amazon, we're gonna make that product and we're gonna make a lot of money. What I recommend doing is scrolling through this list and looking for different opportunities. I found this product on page 2, bartending flashcards. There's 331 people per month searching for this product, but yet when I search for it on Amazon, no product for this keyword shows up. I mean, there is a bartender's guide to cocktails. It's not flashcards. I look, there's another book here. There's another book here. There's a bunch of books and a bunch of things like that, but there's no actual cocktail flashcards. And when I go back into Helium 10 here, I can actually go up here and I can search by cards, and I can see that people aren't just searching for bartending flashcards, they're searching for bartender flashcards. Cocktail recipe cards, 747 people per month are searching for cocktail recipe cards. Cocktail flashcards, drink recipe cards. There's all these different things that people are searching for in Amazon, but yet no product exists. So this is a great opportunity and a great sign to create a product like this. And this product research method has worked for him. He's already done over $100,000 just in pre-sales on Indiegogo. He sold out of all his inventory within 2 hours of launching on Amazon. Now, I did a video before going in depth about how to do product research. Once you've found the product that you're going to sell on Amazon, it's time to find a manufacturer, someone that can actually produce the product that you're going to sell. And this is so easy. It's one of the things that I was really scared about when I first started making my own products and selling them on Amazon, but it's so simple. There's a lot of different ways to find manufacturers for your products, but one of the simplest ways is to go to Alibaba.com. And Alibaba.com, which I'll link down below, allows you to find manufacturers, suppliers for your products. And it's basically a big website full of all the different manufacturers. Most of them are overseas in places like China, India, Vietnam. If you've ever wondered how to get a product produced overseas, Alibaba.com is the easiest way to get it done. And what you're gonna do is go to the search bar, instead of searching by product, click search by supplier and type in whatever the product is you're trying to find a manufacturer for. For instance, with cocktail cards, we wouldn't put cocktail flashcards, we would just put flashcards, because any manufacturer that can make flashcards could also make our cocktail flashcards. And the same is true for whatever your product is. Even if it's a custom product, you can contact different manufacturers and see if they can make your product. Now, you'll want to make sure that you click Trade Assurance and click Verified Supplier. Trade Assurance guarantees you won't get scammed. I know a lot of people are scared about sending money overseas. Maybe it's a scam, but if you work with manufacturers that only have Trade Assurance, the way it works is Alibaba holds onto your money until you agree that your product is exactly what you want. Then the manufacturer gets the money, which protects you. Another way to protect yourself is to only work with verified suppliers. And for a manufacturer to be verified, a third party needs to go out to their warehouse, go out to their manufacturing facility and verify that they're a legitimate company. And this costs the manufacturer a few $1,000s, so no scammers are gonna go through all this trouble. You can also look at how many years the different manufacturers have been on the website, and you know if they've been on there for 5, 6, 7 years, you know that they're a reputable company and things are probably gonna go smoothly. At this stage, you're gonna wanna send messages to all the different manufacturers that you may wanna work with and ask them, how much is it to produce this product? You'll also wanna ask, what is your MOQ, or minimum order quantity? Some companies, they don't wanna work with you unless you're ordering 10,000 units. Other companies don't mind only producing 500 units. So to recap, before we go to number 4, first thing you're gonna do is start your Amazon seller account. Second thing you're gonna do is find a product with high demand and low competition. And the third thing you're gonna do is find a manufacturer for your product. Now, I will say, when contacting manufacturers, be very clear in the description of the product that you want them to create. You can also pay for a sample. Now, a sample is usually gonna be free, and you're gonna probably have to pay for shipping, which from China is gonna usually be around $50 for that single product. You'll also wanna make sure that they print the FNSKU on your actual package so you don't have to add it as a sticker later. And the FNSKU is basically a barcode that you put on your product so that when you ship it into the Amazon warehouse, Amazon can scan your product and they know exactly what your product is and they know that it belongs to you. And I'll talk about how to get an FNSKU in just a minute, but step 4 is send your products into Amazon and start making money. Now, to send your products into Amazon, you're going to need to create a product listing on Amazon's website. In your seller account, you're gonna go to inventory and then click add a product. Then you're gonna select what category you want this product that you're gonna be selling on Amazon to be in. And after you do that, you're gonna add a title, a main image, and a description for your product. Now, I could spend hours talking about how to optimize your Amazon listing so people are gonna wanna click on your listing and ultimately wanna buy your product. But I've done other videos going into depth about this topic. And if this is the first product you've ever sold on Amazon, just remember that people, if they're buying something online, they can't actually physically hold your product and look at it in their hands. So make sure that you add really high quality images from lots of different angles, show people the benefits of using your products, and ultimately your job is to try to convince them to buy your product from the images, from the title, and the description. But once you finish creating the listing for your product on Amazon, you can go into your Amazon seller account, hover over inventory, click Manage FBA Shipments, and click Send to Amazon. And you'll follow their guide to be able to ship your products into Amazon. Now, in one of the steps, they're gonna give you the FNSKU, which again is a barcode so they can track your products. Make sure you send this to your manufacturer so they can add it to your packaging. And shipping products into the Amazon warehouse is extremely easy. Amazon will give you a label that all you have to do is print it out, put it on the box that you want to send into Amazon, and drop that box off at your local FedEx or UPS. Or alternatively, you can work with your manufacturer and have your product directly sent from the manufacturer into the Amazon warehouse, and you don't have to deal with any of it. And what's so amazing about this is, yes, it does take some hard work in the beginning to create your product, to get the listing up. Once your product is up and running, all you really have to do is make sure that you keep inventory in stock in Amazon, which means you'll send some emails to your manufacturer, make sure that it gets to the Amazon warehouse, and you can do the things that you love: traveling, enjoying life, spending time with family. Or if you choose to, you can grow your business using things like Amazon PPC. And PPC stands for pay per click. This is a way for you to advertise your product on Amazon where you only pay if someone actually clicks on your product listing. And this is so powerful because it'll allow you to show up at the top of the search results for whatever keyword you want. And for every dollar you spend on PPC marketing, you could get $3, $4, $5 in sales. And this is one of the ways that I was able to make over $100,000 per year with just one of my products on Amazon. But I'm not alone. I've taught people like Mina, who's making over $100,000 per month. AJ, who's done over $90,000. He sold out of all his inventory within 2 hours. And other people like Michael, Steven, Troy, Ariana, Carla, all these different people that are making an extra couple $1,000s profit per month. They all learned how to sell on Amazon using the Passion Product Formula. Now, you don't need to join an Amazon FBA program. I have more than enough free content on this YouTube channel to help you get started with your Amazon FBA business. But if you want to fast track your success with your Amazon business and avoid making all the different mistakes that I've made and so many beginners make, and these mistakes cost me personally tens of thousands of dollars. I did a video where I even talked about my biggest mistake. But if you want to make sure you avoid those mistakes and fast track your success on Amazon, I just opened up my Amazon FBA program. I'm closing it next week, and I'm only allowing 50 people to join because I want to make sure that every single person that joins has the best chance at having success with Amazon FBA. You can find out all about it by clicking right here. And if you're seeing this too late, you can still click here to get on the wait list for the next time that I open it up, which I'm not sure when that's going to be, but you can join the wait list by clicking right here. And Amazon FBA has changed my life, and I know it can change your life as well.